Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Telegram wallet to Binance. First, open your Telegram wallet, then tap on send, tap on external wallet, select dollars USDT, and make sure you have an available balance and are ready to send. Select on network 0 fees. Then let's go back to Binance. Then tap on deposit. Then search for USDT and select the first result. Then select Toncoin. For the network, both the memo and address are required to successfully deposit your USDT to Binance. So keep that in mind. Tap on OK. Then copy the USDT Toncoin address. Then let's go back to our Telegram wallet. Then tap on paste to insert the USDT Toncoin address from Binance. Then tap on continue. Here you can enter the USDT amount or use max to send your entire USDT balance. I will use max to send all of it. Then tap on continue. Add a transaction tag containing digits to prevent loss of funds. Check the exchange deposit instruction for details. So let's go back to Binance and copy the memo. Then let's go back to the Telegram wallet and paste the memo. Here after that, tap on confirm and send. If you use 1 USDT sent, let's wait for a few minutes. Tap on done. As you can see, my USDT has disappeared. So let's go ahead and open our Binance account. Then at the top, tap here to see the deposit status. Let's wait for a few minutes. And now my USDT has been successfully deposited into my Binance account and is ready for trading or selling. And that's it. I hope you learned something. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.